Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel Tax Tutorials by Feli Guillermo. Ito na po ang part 2 ng aking tutorial kung paano mag-register ng Books of Accounts sa ORUS or sa Online Registration and Update System ng Bureau of Internal Revenue. Nung nakaraan, ah, sinabi ko na sa inyo na ang aking books of accounts ay loose leaf books of accounts. Ginagamitan siya ng computer para maisulat ang mga entries, ang records, sa cash receipts, sa cash disbursement, sa journal, at saka sa general ledger. Bago po maggamit ng loose leaf of accounts, kailangan po ng permit to use loose leaf books of accounts. So, pagkatapos ng taon, katulad ngayong taon ng 2023 na natapos na, 15 days after na matapos ang December 31, 2023, kailangan pong i-bookbind at i-register ang books of accounts. So, nagpagawa na ako ng affidavit stating that these books of accounts are in compliance with the requirement of Bureau of Internal Revenue Memorandum Number 13-82 dated May 28, 1882 as amended, that the entries of the books for the period ended December 31, 2023 has been made in good faith, verified by me, and to the best of my knowledge and belief are complete, accurate, and correct, pursuant to the provisions of the NIRC as amended, and the rules and regulations and other revenue issuances issued under authority thereof. Yun, ganon. Kung gusto nyo ng format nitong affidavit, meron po ako nito. Pwede nyo po akong i-PM sa aking FB page, or pwede ko ring ilagay dito sa description ng video na ito. So, kung meron na kayong ORUS account, makikita nyo dito sa website ng ORUS, yung new registration, secondary registration. Dito tayo sa secondary registration. Dito tayo sa books of accounts. Okay. Then, kailangan munang mag-login sa ORUS para ma-access natin yung ating account. Dito sa ORUS, kahit naka-save yung yung details, username at password, pero hindi niya tinatanggap, nag-e-error siya. So, kailangang i-type yung username and password. Okay, i-click ang I'm not a robot to log in. Okay, ito na tayo sa registration ng books of account. Register books of accounts. Makikita ang tax identification number, yung branch code, yung registered name. Kapag sole proprietor po ay first name, middle name, and last name ng taxpayer. Kapag naman non-individual, corporate name. RDO code, business address. Tapos lalabas siya yung books of accounts to be registered. Okay. Validate natin. Click add. Then, add. Okay. Kung manual books of accounts ang gamit nyo, ito po yung i-click, yung manual. Then, isa-search yung type of book. Pareho lang yung yung process ng pag-registration nitong manual books of accounts at saka loose leaf. Okay. Click natin tong loose leaf dahil loose leaf yung gamit ko. Then, hanapin yung cash receipts journal. Okay? Quantity 1. Last volume is volume 1. So, itong aking nire-register ngayon ay volume 2 na. Validity, December, okay, 31. At ayaw. Teka, sandali. 12/31. Okay, 12/31/2023. Yung format pala niya is day, month, and year. Date of registration. Ngayon po ang date of registration. January 12, 2024. Then, automatic na siyang lumabas yung aking permit to use loose leaf. Date of issuance, kailangan kong i-encode. Nandito po sa aking affidavit yung yung date of issuance ko is March 31, 2022. March 31. March 31, 2022. Ayun. Okay. Taxable year. Zero one. 2023. To taxable year 31/12/2023. Okay. So, nandyan na yung aking cash receipts journal volume number 2. Yan. Loose leaf. Cash disbursement journal. Quantity 1. Okay. Same lang din. Validity 12. Oh no. 31/12/2023. Date of issuance 31/03/2022. Taxable year 01/01/2023. 31/12/2023. Okay. Add books. Next, loose leaf. General journal. Search natin yung general journal. Okay, itong general journal. Quantity 1. Last volume is 1. Validity 31/12/2023. Date of registration January 12. Ngayon, yung permit to loose leaf. Books of accounts niya ay hindi na siya nag-automatic. Bakit kaya? Indicate ko daw. LLMBA-044-03 0322-00705. Date of issuance 31/03/2022. Taxable year 01/01/2023. Taxable year 31/12/2023. Add books. Okay, add row. General ledger. Quantity 1. Validity 31/12/2023. Date of issuance 31/03/2022. 01/01/2023. December 31, 2023. Okay. Okay na yung 4 na books ko. Then, click continue. Continue natin. Ito na yung attachments. All documents should be uploaded either as PDF or as JPEG or PNG image. Each document should not be larger than 25 MB. Sa loose leaf books of accounts, ito kailangan yung affidavit attesting to the completeness, accuracy, and correctness of entries in books and number of loose leaf used for being covered. At saka sa mga computerized books of accounts. Pero kapag sa mga columnar ang gamit na books of accounts, wala nang attachment na kailangan. Okay. I-upload ko na yung affidavit ko. Attachment form 1905. Successfully uploaded. Okay. Review natin. Okay. Mag-agree lang dito sa declaration. I declare under the penalties of perjury that this application and all its attachments have been made in good faith, verified by me, and that the best of my knowledge and belief is true and correct. O, yan yung laman ng aking affidavit din. I understand that the Bureau of Internal Revenue has the right to process the information submitted in this application. An indication of misrepresentation, fraud, or other illegal activities can be grounds to subject the applicant to further investigation by the BIR and will be punished according to the penalties prescribed by the National Internal Revenue Code as amended and other applicable laws. I declare that the taxpayer on whose behalf the application is made has no existing taxpayer identification number and understand that possession of more than one tin is criminally punishable and may be subject to penalties pursuant to the provisions of the National Internal Revenue Code of 1997 as amended and other applicable laws. Okay, submit application na natin. Registration successful. email confirmation has been sent to your registered email address containing the details and other information. Okay? Ito na siya yung mga stamps. Yung cash receipts journal ko ay meron na siyang stamp volume 2. Ito yung ilalagay sa first page ng aking cash receipts journal. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, tapos na akong mag-register ng aking loose leaf books of accounts.